time sure does fly when you spend it with the woman you love. It feels like I just met you the other day. There's no gift in the world that could ever be as amazing as the love you shared with me. Anywhere with you is better than anywhere without you. It doesn't take a genius to know that a beautiful wife with a beautiful heart equals a beautiful life. You are my best friend, the milk to my cookies, the strength to my weakness, my soulmate, my wife. I'll love you even when you're old and wrinkly. If a genie offered me 3 wishes, it would be a complete waste. Because with you by my side, I already have everything I want. You are the song to my heart. You are the woman that I wanted from the start. I'll give my life for you, till death do us part. Because of you, I'm the happiest man on this earth. Every love story is beautiful, but ours is my favorite. My amazing bride, you complete me and make me whole. You are the center of my world. Cheers to another wonderful year of our lives together. Happy anniversary.